I say, is we rolling? I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Rider. As you can see, I am gloving up, so you know what time it is. I'm about to get to work. Let me go in and get my chuck, my gauge, and show y'all what we're working with. Oh, too close. I need you to back up. This lady right here got a flat tire on her car that I'm about to change real quick. Let me get her to back up, but she almost knocked me up out of here. You good, right there. So what we doing, you got this front passenger tire that's flat. This joker is gone. Her wheel is bent right there. And we're gonna put that spare tire on. But check this out, I want to tell y'all a little something, man. Give y'all a little knowledge real quick. What happened was, she pulled in and she was like right off the side of the road. What's going on, bro? Yeah, man, what about you? So what happened was, she was on the side of the road and it was raining. As you can see, it's coming down. Or at least I hope y'all can see. All right, pardon me for being ignorant. What happened was, she was on the side of the road, and from what you guys can tell, it is raining out here. It is coming down out here this morning. It was a little heavier than that when I first came, but I was like, shoot, I ain't working on the side of the road in the rain. We got to be smart about that thing, man. Pull up on it, they're doing gas aisle, the fuel aisle over here with me. And I'm gonna change your tire. Not saying I'm scared of the rain or nothing, but we gotta work smarter, not harder. I wanna stay dry as much as possible. I know I'm working out here today, so I'm gonna get wet, but I wanna be as dry as possible. So remember that if you're on the road, you being a technician, you might not be able to control the elements, but if you just think for a second, you can make it work in your favor. You feel what I'm saying? Now let's get to it, man. Enough talking, man. We're gonna knock this out really, really quick. I don't know if she hit something right there that made it go flat, or if it been like that. But that joker gone. You can see on the inside, okay, that tire separated. I can see where it had done swelled up and like knotted up before it blew out. So I ain't no coming back for this one. Ma'am, you ready to hold the trunk for me? I'm gonna go in and grab her spare tire from out of here. We're gonna put this joker on. When I tell you this is gonna be quick, this is gonna be quick. Just hold that for me. Please don't let it.
I won't do it, I promise.
All right, you good. Thank you. Teamwork, baby, make the dream work. She don't need to ride on it for longer. This is a very, very small spare tire compared to her regular size tires that's already on here. But we do what we gotta do. I don't know what I just touched to make my hand or my gloves turn like that. NASCAR, is you ready? Shoot, I might actually be ready this time, boy. I'm gonna check the air pressure in her tire. I know the joker probably flat. We're gonna get her up to where she need to be. I'm gonna put my tools up, get paid, let y'all go on about y'all day. And I'm gonna take my black self to the house. I see you right there. That rain done started back coming down too. Right where she need to be. Put that cap on, man. Ladies, gentlemen, whoever you are watching this video, I thank you for coming on this job with me. I'm finna get up out of here, man. Take my black self to the house. I'm gone.